How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change sensitivity in OSU. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the settings icon at the top corner of your screen. And then inside, instead of looking for the actual sensitivity, you could just simply search for sensitivity right here. And then if you're using like mouse, like myself, you just want to navigate through the device mouse, and then from here you will have the ability to edit out the sensitivity the way you want to. So right now it's extremely fast. Let's go ahead and reduce this into something like 0.10, and from there this should go ahead and help you fix your problem. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.